Jag kollade min specifikation jag fick. Va? Kan jag få så här mycket av att inte göra någonting?
I struggled so much and I was really not happy, to be honest. I couldn't figure out why I felt like life was punishing me.
This is the real deal. This is what you've been looking for. They have process here. You trust the process, continue to stay all in, and you'll get what you came for.
I'm inviting you to click the link below and get your ticket for this. We have limited amount of seats. I tried everything in my life, and not until I came to one of these events for me, I really started to become more high vibe. I started to let go of all the blockages that I had. That was, first of all, it was not even mine. They were passed on by my parents, by my grandparents, and they were passed on from people around me and in my upbringing. These blockages, they held me back.
Side effect of this, not only lost my pain from my shoulder and from my hip, I also lost weight without doing anything. It's
Wow.
like the burden came out.
I remember in 1 week, I made more money than I did in a whole year after I released these blockages. I was able to receive in a way I've never received before.
I look amazing, I feel amazing. I'm attracting people. I am a magnet for men, even if I don't need it now.
Just as Einstein said, you can't solve the problem on the same level it was created. You can't go for your new thing in life on the same energy that you have right now. Therefore, your energy needs to be higher than what it's been in the past. Don't believe me when I say this. I'm inviting you to come to one of our events. So what is the feeling that you're bringing with you home compared to when you came?
Clarity.
Clarity.
It is clear.
It's clear.
Like what my problem was, what I want to do, what I don't want to do, who I want to be and not want to be.
See this for yourself. Have the experience to see what's gonna shift in your life when you erase these blockages within you. It's a 1 full day event where you get to unleash yourself in a way you haven't done before. When all of that energy just comes out of you, there's nothing you can't go through. You are struggling, you're in the same route, you have the same problem over and over again, you have the same people, you have the same negativity, and you don't seem to get yourself out of that state. If you don't seem to get yourself out of that pattern, we're gonna change that. We're gonna go out, and it's time. 2025 is the year where you can go out and you can do the things that you always dreamed of doing, but not until you erased those blockages that's in your heart, that's in your throat, that's in your sacral. When you can receive more, it means that life will give you the things that you want. I'm inviting you to click the link below and get your ticket for this. We have limited amount of seats, and we only have limited amount of early bird tickets. So go down, click the link, get your ticket, and I will see you at this amazing event.